The ocean's depths hold countless secrets. Beneath the waves lies a world that is as alien to us as the surface of another planet. This vast, uncharted territory is home to creatures and phenomena that defy our understanding and challenge our perceptions of life on Earth. Dark, mysterious, and teeming with life, they have captivated our imaginations for millennia. From the bioluminescent glow of deep-sea fish to the eerie silence of the ocean floor, every corner of this underwater realm holds a story waiting to be told. Recently, these depths seem to be whispering to us. Subtle changes in ocean currents and temperatures are bringing the unknown closer to our shores, hinting at a deeper connection between the surface and the abyss. Strange creatures once confined to the abyss are appearing closer to the surface. These beings, adapted to the crushing pressures and perpetual darkness of the deep, are now venturing into our world, sparking curiosity and concern. Unfamiliar giants are washing ashore, sparking both wonder and concern. These events are not just isolated incidents, but part of a larger pattern that scientists are striving to understand. These events are a stark reminder that the ocean is a complex and interconnected system, one we are only beginning to comprehend. The delicate balance of marine ecosystems is being disrupted, and the reasons behind these disruptions are multifaceted and complex. We have long been fascinated by tales of sea monsters and leviathans. Ancient mariners spoke of colossal beasts that could swallow ships whole, and these stories have persisted through the ages, capturing our collective imagination. These creatures, often depicted as colossal and fearsome, lurk in the shadowy depths of our collective consciousness. They represent the unknown, the unexplored, and the fearsome power of nature. Now it seems reality is beginning to echo those ancient tales. The line between myth and reality is blurring as we encounter these once mythical beings in the flesh. Giant squid, once thought to be mythical beasts, have been caught on camera. These elusive creatures with their enormous eyes and tentacles are no longer just the stuff of legend, but a tangible part of our world. Colossal oarfish, rarely seen and poorly understood, are increasingly appearing in shallow waters. These serpentine giants, often measuring over 30 feet in length, are a sight to behold and a reminder of the ocean's hidden wonders. These sightings, once dismissed as folklore, are becoming impossible to ignore. Each new encounter adds to our understanding of the ocean's depths and the creatures that inhabit them. These encounters are a potent reminder of the vastness and mystery of our oceans. They challenge our understanding of the natural world and force us to confront the unknown. Marine biologists and oceanographers are working tirelessly to study these phenomena, using advanced technology to explore the uncharted territories of the deep sea. As we delve deeper into the reasons behind these unusual appearances, we uncover a complex interplay of factors, from natural phenomena to the far-reaching impacts of human activity. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are altering the delicate balance of marine ecosystems, driving these creatures to seek new habitats. The ocean's depths are speaking, and it is time we listen. By paying attention to these signs, we can gain a deeper understanding of our planet and take steps to protect the fragile ecosystems that lie beneath the waves. The sight of a whale beached on the shore is a tragic one. These majestic creatures, symbols of power and grace, lie helpless, their immense bodies out of their element. Sadly, such strandings are becoming increasingly common. Across the globe, whales, dolphins, and other marine animals are beaching themselves in alarming numbers. Scientists and researchers are working tirelessly to understand this complex issue, but the answers remain elusive. Some strandings can be attributed to natural causes. Storms, currents, and even sonar navigation can disorient whales and dolphins, leading them astray. However, many strandings point to a more disturbing trend: the declining health of our oceans. Pollution, noise pollution from shipping traffic, and the impacts of climate change are all taking a toll on marine life. These factors can weaken immune systems, disrupt migration patterns, and alter the availability of prey, making marine animals more susceptible to stranding events. The rising tide of strandings is a stark warning sign. It is a clear indication that human activities are having a profound impact on the health of our oceans and the creatures that call them home. As we delve deeper into this issue, we must confront the uncomfortable truth that we are playing a role in these tragedies. It is our responsibility to understand the consequences of our actions and work towards solutions that protect the future of these magnificent creatures. The natural world is a delicate balance, and when one element is disturbed, it can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. For instance, storms and rough sea currents can disorient marine animals, pushing them off their usual migratory paths. Sonar navigation used by both marine animals and human vessels can interfere with the animal's own sonar, leading to confusion and disorientation. This is particularly problematic for species like whales and dolphins, which rely heavily on echolocation to navigate and hunt. When these animals become disoriented, they may end up stranded on beaches, far from their natural habitat. But it's not just natural phenomena that are causing these strandings. Human activities are having a significant impact as well. Pollution, for example, is a major issue. Chemicals and plastics in the ocean can poison marine life, weaken their immune systems, and make them more vulnerable to disease. Noise pollution from shipping traffic and industrial activities can disrupt the communication and navigation of marine animals, leading to disorientation and stress. Climate change is another critical factor. As global temperatures rise, ice caps are melting, sea levels are rising, and ocean temperatures are changing. These changes can alter the distribution of prey species, forcing marine animals to travel further and into unfamiliar waters in search of food. The combination of these stresses can be overwhelming for marine animals, leading to an increase in strandings. The sight of a stranded whale or dolphin is a powerful reminder of the fragility of our oceans and the urgent need for action. We must take steps to reduce pollution, mitigate the impacts of climate change, and protect marine habitats. By doing so, we can help ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive in their natural environment. The future of our oceans depends on the choices we make today. Let us commit to making a positive difference for the sake of all marine life. The Earth is a dynamic planet, its surface constantly shifting and reshaping itself. This continuous movement is driven by the immense forces within the Earth's mantle, causing tectonic plates to drift, collide, and sometimes even fracture. These geological processes are not just confined to the land, they extend deep beneath the ocean's surface, where the effects can be even more dramatic and far-reaching. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, tectonic plates collide, creating earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. These underwater seismic events can be incredibly powerful, often going unnoticed by humans, but having significant impacts on the marine environment. The collision of these plates can create underwater mountain ranges and deep ocean trenches, altering the seafloor's topography and influencing ocean currents. These seismic events can have far-reaching consequences, even affecting the movements of marine life. The sudden shifts in the seafloor can disrupt habitats, forcing marine creatures to flee their homes in search of safer grounds. The changes in underwater currents can also impact the distribution of nutrients, affecting the entire food chain from the smallest plankton to the largest predators. Scientists are beginning to understand the complex relationship between seismic activity and the appearance of deep-sea creatures in shallower waters. By studying these phenomena, researchers hope to uncover the mechanisms driving these migrations and how they might be linked to the Earth's geological processes. This research is crucial for predicting future changes in marine biodiversity and for developing strategies to protect vulnerable species. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can release vast amounts of heat and chemicals into the ocean. These eruptions can create hydrothermal vents which spew out mineral-rich water that supports unique ecosystems. The heat and chemicals released can alter the chemical composition of the water, creating new habitats for some species while making it inhospitable for others. These disturbances can alter water temperatures, create underwater currents, and even trigger the release of methane gas from the seabed. Methane, a potent greenhouse gas, can have significant implications for climate change if released in large quantities. The changes in water temperature and currents can also affect the migration patterns of marine species as they seek out optimal conditions for feeding and breeding. These changes can disrupt marine ecosystems, forcing creatures to move in search of food, mates, or more hospitable environments. The displacement of species can lead to increased competition for resources, altering the balance of marine communities. Some species may thrive in their new environments, while others may struggle to adapt, leading to shifts in biodiversity. Deep-sea animals, adapted to the extreme conditions of the abyss, may be particularly sensitive to these shifts, leading them to venture into unfamiliar territory. These creatures, which are often adapted to high pressure, low light, and cold temperatures, may find themselves in environments that challenge their survival. Observing these migrations can provide valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of marine life. While the connection between seismic activity and marine migrations is still being studied, it highlights the interconnectedness of our planet. The movements of the Earth's crust can influence oceanic conditions, which in turn affect marine life. Understanding these connections is essential for predicting how future seismic events might impact marine ecosystems, and for developing strategies to mitigate these effects. Events happening thousands of meters below the surface can have ripple effects that are felt across the globe. The energy released by seismic events can travel vast distances, influencing ocean currents, weather patterns, and even the stability of coastal regions. These global ripple effects underscore the importance of monitoring and understanding seismic activity. As we continue to monitor seismic activity and observe changes in marine behavior, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of life in our oceans. The ongoing research and advancements in technology are helping us to better understand the complex interactions between the Earth's geological processes and marine ecosystems. This knowledge is crucial for protecting our oceans and ensuring the sustainability of marine life for future generations.